Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use email campaigns on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in my Squarespace site, and I currently don't have any email lists set up or any email campaigns, and I'm going to show you guys how to set everything up. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your contacts in the left and go into lists and segments. This will show you all of the lists over here, and we're going to go ahead and click create a mailing list. I'll name it just test list for the purposes of this tutorial. Save it, and now we have a new list. We can go ahead and add subscribers. You can upload a list or add individual subscribers. I'll add myself, so I'll add my account info just here. First name tutorial account. Then these subscribers accept marketing. This confirmation of permission is needed, so I'll just put it like yes, then click done, and as you can see, the subscriber has been added. Now this is the test list, but if I go ahead and refresh it, it should have me added within that list itself. So let's wait until this is done. And there we go, I've been added to the list. Now what you're going to want to do is go into marketing, click on email campaigns, and then create a new email campaign from here. I'll select a template for this campaign I already have, so I'll just select this one just as an example, click use this template, and that should be good. So I am currently using this template, and now you can go ahead and click on email and click send to recipients if you want, which I won't be doing because I also have one more step I want to show you guys, and that step is this one right over here. If we go here, you can add sender details if you want. You can add a sender or get a domain if you want. However, I'll just keep this as is. So if we go over here and go into our template, I'll just select this template again, click use this template. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on email, click send to recipients. And as you can see, you need to upgrade to actually send it. But that is pretty much all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.